Hello YouTube, another day, another tour, another one of the streets here at Portola Country Club. So we'll just walk around here, a couple of streets, and see what's going on. Nice clear day as far as no clouds. But we had dust and wind blowing through here yesterday. That made it pretty bad. Take us by a couple homes that I think are made up pretty good on a few of these streets here. This is always a nice big bush to get, huh? I know you don't call it a bush, but these people have been working on this place for years. So I'd say months, but it's actually years that they've been working on this. Now, one of the golf courses on the other side of these homes here. I don't know what hole it is though, because I don't play golf. I don't play golf, and yet I live on a golf course. That's because in Palm Desert, if you want a gated community, which this is, see? We'll walk up here and I'll show you a little bit. I don't want you walking on the golf course. Approved golf play only. Pedestrian traffic prohibited. See? Let me show you what that is. Kind of pretty though, huh? Well, it goes all the way down there. Homes on both sides. This is one of the holes. Like I said, I don't know which one though. Oh, there's a turtle way over there. I don't think we can pick that up though. Walking around there. Some people, nice area here. Palm Desert gets, I believe, 350 days a year of sun. This is a city with, well, it's part of Coachella Valley. And Coachella Valley is a big place for snowbirds to come for those 6 months. That's why a lot of these units in here, I don't know what the percentage is, but a lot of these units are timeshare, not timeshare, but seasonal rentals. I think you get between $3,000 and $3,500 a month for renting out these. When my brother lives at Woodhaven, they get $5,000 to $5,500 a month rentals. There's another nice place here, I think. Usually the season is 6 months. Starts in November. So you got November, December, January, February, March, and April. So by May 1st, you hear a plane going by. Oh, it's a helicopter. I'm sorry. I always like this. I always try to take a picture of this, but I'm always with this too much into the shade, but I guess we got him pretty good this time. Well, we'll turn down the main street here. I always like this tree here. I keep wanting to say bush, but obviously it's not a bush. I don't know why, I've seen these through the valley before. Let's see if we can get all of this. Yep, there we go. Okay, let's walk down this way some more. It's a corner house, so they do up the lawn and everything pretty good. Ooh, we can walk down this way. This is just an extension of that other way that we went a minute ago, where to the left it was the end of the hole. That's where this is here. So we will walk over here. I thought this was a hole over there. So here we are. Now this is just an extension here where we were. Now there's the hole with a pin in it, but I thought at one time you look over here. See? This looks like used to be a hole over here, huh? Okay. A lot going on here. A little turtle friend. Okay, here comes another car behind us. There's some more. This is probably a lemon tree, I believe. Yeah. Alrighty, so we will go I think we'll go down one more street and we'll go around. Coming to the gate here. I guess we could walk over. I'll show you the HOA office. Give you a trip around here, see what this looks like. And we'll, let's see, we'll go this way. And the HOA office, their hours. You could pause it if you want. And here's a little board that we have, and with all the activities. Here again, you can pause this if you want. And here's a back area, one of two I believe we have on the property, or maybe three, where people can store their RVs and things if they have those. Here, another big space. Hey, you can see it's almost empty, huh? That's fairly big. Okay, let's continue down this road. Here's some more of the outside. I think they call these pussy willows. Seems like we have a lot of them around here too. Let's go up this street here. There's some really good ones on this street. As far as the way they make them up. There's a nice palm tree. It's not a big one like you see everywhere. It's a nice sized one. Really fat though, huh? And then here's a nice one over here. I like this house. I like the way that this one here is set up. See? This one here is pretty good. I like that one. And here's another one. They got a lot going on in their front yard. I guess you could call it a front yard, huh? Okay. We'll go on up here some more. And get over here to where we're closer. Some nice ones on this street, on this side of the street. Here's another nice one here. I don't see a seasonal sign, but some people don't let them out seasonally though either. A lot going on with this one. I like this, huh? Yeah, this one looks good. This is the end of that golf course we were at. That guy's got his stuff all the way down there. Okay. See how big that is down there for the golf course? Okay, we will go look at another unit. We got a couple on this side that are well managed. See? Manicured, I guess is the word. Not managed, but manicured. And we got one over here. Morning. And then this one. That one's for sale over there. There's another nice one. Here. Okay. We're almost to the end of this street. I hadn't noticed this one before. I like the small rock though that they have here. They have some swans over there. Okay. Another nice one here. Okay. Okay, here's my favorite bush again. If anybody knows what this thing, what these are called, put it down in the comments below, please. So I will know also. Okay. Here's another one. Nicely laid out. Okay. And we will go back over here on this side. This is one of the 3 pools we have here. I don't think we have 4, I think we have 3. But not very many people use these, I don't know why. Supposedly I have a key to get in here, but since I've never got in here before, doesn't look all that clean either. Okay. That's a nice one over there. And we're at the end of this street, end of this tour. So I'm going to look at this big one over here. Here comes a car though. Oh, FedEx truck. No, I don't get anything today on my FedEx. This is really nice here, huh? We have it made up and everything. Make sure I get close enough though. There we go. Look at this. I like this one. Yep, okay. So we're coming to the end on this street because of we'd be walking into the sun. Here's one of the exits. I've never seen those gates open though. Well, we'll just do this one over here. Okay. All right, and we will stop with this one.